We know the economy is tough. If you have already defaulted on your mortgage or are having trouble meeting this month's payments, housing counseling may be the answer. A counseling session is a great first step to getting your finances in order. You can choose to speak with an NFCC certified housing counselor over the phone or come in for a face-to-face meeting.
After I lost my job, we started dipping into our savings, and now there's really nothing left.
We were late on last month's mortgage payment, and I don't know if we're going to be able to make this month's mortgage. We're pretty nervous. We don't want to lose the house.
I understand your concerns, and I'm glad you came in. Missing a mortgage payment can be pretty frightening. Now that you're here, we can work together and come up with some solutions. Let's look at this financial worksheet together. We'll use the information you fill in as well as the other documents you've brought with you to get a clear picture of your situation.
During your session, the counselor will have you fill out a financial worksheet so they can better assess your situation. You'll need to provide information about your monthly income and current expenses, such as credit card bills and monthly payments. The counselor will also ask for specifics on your mortgage, including the name of your lender, your interest rate, the balance, and the amount that is delinquent. The counselor will also need to review certain financial documents, including your 2 most recent pay stubs, tax returns for the last 2 years, a current bank statement and bills for necessary expenses like utilities and insurance, your mortgage statement, recent statements for all of your credit cards, your W-2 forms. You'll also need to write what is called a hardship letter that explains your current financial situation.
I've reviewed your financial worksheet and your other documents. It's clear that you do have a financial hardship. It's important that we act now and create a plan to establish a budget, address your unsecured debt, and avoid foreclosure.
Is that possible?
It won't be easy, but if we work together, we can come up with a solution. Let's start by looking at your different expenses to see what we can alter there.
The counselor will take the time to learn about your individual situation. They will review your household budget as well as your debt. They will offer advice on where changes can be made that may free up necessary funds.
I think we can do this.
I agree. If we stick to this new budget, we will be able to free up some cash. But is that going to be enough?
This should solve the immediate problem, but I do think we should take a deeper look at the mortgage itself. There may be an option for a loan modification.
Would our bank approve that?
Lenders will often approve modifications for hardship situations like yours. They would rather be sure you can afford your payments than foreclose on your home.
What do we need to do?
Let's take a closer look at your mortgage and your budget to see how a new agreement would best assist you.
Our certified housing counselors are experienced and have the know-how to come up with the best solution for you. Before you leave your session, you'll create an action plan together that specifically meets your needs. If you are having difficulty paying your mortgage or see financial hardship in your future, it's time to ask for help. You don't have to lose your home. Seek advice from an NFCC certified housing counselor today.
For additional information or to request our free consumer education DVD, Avoiding Foreclosure, Working with a Certified NFCC Housing Counselor, visit our website, mortgagehelpnow.org.